Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying VIN, model year, and the firmware version in the infotainment settings. This tells you which update package applies. Next, make sure the vehicle battery is above 50% or connect a charger so the update won't abort. Also confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection or active VW data plan. Without reliable connectivity, the download will fail. Once these prerequisites are met, open the System Update menu and select Check for updates to start downloading the required files. You watch the download closely and avoid interrupting power. Interrupting power during installation can brick modules. When prompted, accept the EULA and choose optional feature packs or regional maps if offered. These change behavior and storage use. The system will verify package integrity, then copy files and begin installation. Expect several reboots of the head unit and sometimes the gateway module. Make sure to stay in the vehicle while the process runs and do not press unrelated buttons that might cancel the install. Once the install completes, you verify the new version number in settings and test navigation, Bluetooth, radio presets, and ADAS displays to confirm normal operation. If something looks off, perform a soft reset of the infotainment, hold power button, and retry the update. Sometimes downloads corrupt and need a second attempt. If the update repeatedly fails, collect error codes from the Diagnostics menu or VW toolbox, and contact your dealer with the VIN and logs so they can reflash modules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.